Hey, what's up everyone? We're in Purcellville, Virginia. We just finished this really cool double-decker porch. Let's go in here and check this thing out. It's amazing. All right, so here we are on the patio level here that leads up to this deck. And as you can see, we did this really cool skirting here. This is a AZEK PVC skirting that we did in English walnut. And so this is one of their cladding products, and we just did a nickel gap, quarter-inch gap in between every board, painted all the boards behind it black so you couldn't see them, and it just really gives this thing a super awesome look. Also too, if you notice over my shoulder here, we have TREX accent lights everywhere. So around the whole perimeter of this skirting around this project, we did accent lights. So it looks really, really cool at night, and you'll see some pictures of it right here. All right, so here we are on the deck level. Got a nice space up here that we have used AZEK PVC decking on in weather teak. Super cool looking board. I'm a huge fan of this color. It really contrasts the English walnut board that we used for doing the cladding on the outside. Great area here to have, you know, a barbecue to cook out. Also, for the railing, if you notice, we use the Westbury aluminum rail. We use quite a bit of this railing. It's a great looking product, has a very modern, sleek look to it. Let's go into the porch and check out some of the stuff that we did here. All right, so here we are in the covered porch area, and this place looks absolutely amazing. Let's talk about some of the elements that are in here that really just make this place special. And right here to my right, we have a really nice gas fireplace that's gonna put off a fair amount of heat. Just above that, a really cool cast mantle. So this actually isn't real wood, but it looks like real wood. It's really nice looking mantle to kind of give a little contrast here with the fireplace, and has a really nice big TV mounted above it. So if they want, they can sit out here and watch the games during sports season or have movie nights out here. So just a really great space for the family to hang out outside. The cool thing too about this space is we have porch conversion windows here that they will help hold in warmth, but they can also be opened up all the way, leave a big old space for air to blow through. And if you want, all you have to do is simply slide it down and you are good to go. The really cool thing about this too is these aren't glass. This is a really stretchable, flexible film that is virtually unbreakable, and it will shrink back up and take its form so it doesn't get all stretched out and messed up over time. And let's talk about the ceiling here. We have this beautiful prestige hardwood ceiling, tongue and groove ceiling. It looks really nice. It kind of gives just a really elegant finish to this whole porch that I absolutely love. Between that and the shiplap siding that we use on the wall, this thing just came out absolutely stunning. I'm a huge fan of this color scheme and all the finishes that we have put inside this job. Lastly, we have a Bromic heater here on the ceiling, and this is a 4,000 watt heater. It puts off a ton of heat. Between that and the gas fireplace, there's no reason why they couldn't sit out here while it's snowing outside and really just enjoy the warmth of this place.